Cavo Quattro Care Plus is designed for trouble-free cleaning, purging, and lubrication of handpieces. Easy to load with push-button operation, Quattro Care Plus is simple, fast, and effective. Most importantly, it optimizes handpiece performance and extends its life because it delivers correct maintenance time after time. The self-contained unit hygienically isolates the entire process and can be used with most manufacturers' high speeds, low speeds, contra angles, straight handpieces, air-driven scalers, and air motors. An integral feature of Quattro Care Plus is the use of a cleaning and lubrication spray solution, which expands when dispersed into the handpiece, creating an extremely efficient physical and chemical cleaning. This is especially important when maintaining electric or air-driven low-speed handpieces. These gear-driven attachments include many tiny gears and precision moving parts which cannot be thoroughly cleaned with a pure oil lubricant. The Quattro Care Plus spray is now designed to work exclusively with the new Quattro Care. The spray features a tamper-resistant barcode which ensures that you get the best Cavo care for your handpiece. The new Chuck maintenance adapter provides complete care to your handpiece. The new Chuck care cycle provides optimal dosage to the handpiece chucking sleeve. Once per week, cleaning and care of handpiece chucks helps maintain their gripping force, reliability, and provides long service life. As easy as 1, 2, 3. Step 1. Position the instruments on the adapters. Step 2. Close the door. Step 3. Press start, and everything is done. Using Cavo Quattro Care Plus in your sterilization center means no more time-consuming and therefore expensive individual maintenance. No more extensive staff training and complaints. No more guesswork and cutting corners. No more oily mess. No more maintenance and repair headaches. Get the Quattro Care Plus and get the ultimate protection for your investment. Please visit us on the web at www.cavousa.com.